Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your Mac meets the minimum Mac OS version and you have an active Microsoft account. Once done, choose whether you'll use Microsoft 365 subscription or buy a one-time Office license. That determines the download link and activation flow. Next, sign into account, Microsoft.com or the Microsoft site and locate your Office product. Click the download button and save the installer to your downloads folder so you can move immediately. Run the PKG installer you saved and follow the installer prompts. Enter your Mac password when requested. During setup, allow the System Permissions Office asks for so features like Outlook and OneDrive integrate correctly. Once installation finishes, open Word or Excel and sign in with the same Microsoft account you used to purchase or subscribe. This signs in and activates Office across your Mac. Make sure you see a message indicating Office is activated and licensed to your account. Finish by opening an Office app and installing any updates through Help Check for updates so you have the latest security and features. Next, configure OneDrive sync and set preferred default save locations to avoid losing files. If activation or app launch fails, sign out of Office apps, restart your Mac, and sign back in. If that doesn't work, uninstall the Office apps, restart, and reinstall from your Microsoft account. Contact support only after these steps if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.